Okay, real quickly, before we start, I want to teach you how to turn on HTML5 videos on your course. If you already have this, ignore this, but if you don't, this is going to be very useful. So because if you turn it into HTML5, you'll be able to double the speed of the course on the video. So let's go ahead and do that. Go to your profile photo and then select Edit Profile. Once you're there, then go to Preferences. In Preferences, you're going to select, probably by default, it's on Flash Player, but what you want to do is put it on HTML5. Once you're in HTML5, press Save, and you're good to go. So now I'm going to teach you how to change the speed of the video. Once you're in the video player, you're going to see this thing. So this thing controls the speed of the video. So just click it until you adjust the speed as you want. Another thing that you need to know is that you are going to later, you're going to need to download a marbleapp.com. So on marbleapp.com, you'll be able to download the app. So just go to apps and then you'll be able to download it from the App Store or Google Play. That's it. Happy prototyping.